Hi guys, we are now on to starting the modeling. We have imported our drawing from AutoCAD and also created our levels. So what we're doing here is to learn how to create our walls, edit our walls. So firstly, let's go to it. Will ask you to save your drawing. Just 2-bedroom. Read it, look for the folder to save it, create a folder for it. If you don't have a folder before, create folder, and that. Open, save into the folder. You can save all your projects into the folder. So these are 3D view. You can actually start building your walls on the 3D view. You can go to the floor plan to create the views. It depends on what you want. So let's go to level 1, as it's easier to draw the walls accurately on the floor levels. So level 1, where do we get our walls? Go to wall here. This is the wall tab here. As we move on, we start using all these one by one. So we come to wall here. As you click on this, you see some other walls here. We have the wall architectural, structural, face. Because we are actually dealing with architectural work, we would select the wall architectural, which is the default wall there. As you can see at the properties of the wall, we have what we call the unconnected height, which is the default height that comes with all the walls in Revit architecture. You can change the height of the wall based on the height that you want to achieve. You might leave it like this and change it later on. It depends on you. So this is what we call the basic wall, and the size for the wall is 200 mm. So mostly we have like 3 types of walls that we use in Nigeria. We have the 225 wall, the 150 wall, which is the 6 inches, and the 4 inches wall. So but for the traditional artisans, architects, mostly the 9 inches wall, which is the 225 mm wall, is the most common wall. But with this, we have the 200 mm wall, meaning that we will have to edit the size of our wall to get to 225 mm. So how do we do this? You might draw the wall and edit it later on, or you go into the edit type immediately, which is, you've already selected your wall to draw. Just come to the edit type here. It brings a dialog box for you, which is the type properties. You get into it, change your wall thickness, and move on. So how do we change our wall thickness without affecting other walls? We come here, we give it a name, meaning this is the way I give it my name so that it will be easily identifiable. This is 225 wall. Click OK, and you come here to click on edit. This is where the actual thickness is. Click on the 200 mm, change it to 225 mm, change to 225, enter. It gives you the wall thickness that you want. If you want to change the material, this is where you come to. We'll be getting to that later on. So you click on OK, click on apply, and you come and draw your wall. As you can see, we are still at the 8000 height, which is the default height of the wall. We don't need to change this now. Let's draw the walls first, and then you see how to change it. Then you click. Let me start again. You click, release your mouse, move your mouse to wherever you want it to go to. Then you click again, it drops the wall, and you continue like that. You release the mouse again, you continue like that, you click again, the next one, you continue like that, you click again, the next one, you move like that. Make sure it's at the center of the wall. Click again, you move, click again, you move, click again. If you can see here, if you notice very well, you would see that the wall is now aligned with the line of the AutoCAD drawing. What do we